Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving southwest on Tremolesworth Drive towards Paradise Avenue in Tremolesworth District, St. Mary Parish. Turning off Tremolesworth Drive onto Paradise Avenue, and if we had continued straight on Tremolesworth Drive, then the road would take us towards Nonsuch, Unity, also Unity Estate and other places. The road to the right is also Paradise Avenue, and it will take you towards Tremolesworth Cemetery. We'll explore that road in the Paradise Avenue Part 2 video. On the right is the other end of the road we passed earlier, which will take you to Tremolesworth Cemetery. We are now at the Highgate to Windsor Castle Road. Going right on the Highgate to Windsor Castle Road will take you to Dean Pen, Kinrara, Kilancholly and other places. We have made the left towards Highgate Town. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.